What up, JD Gang, man? We back with another vlog, man. Go ahead.
What up, JD Gang? We back with another video.
Man, today, man, hold on. Before we start the video, man, make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe button, comment, because it's going down, man. We back posting, we back vlogging, and we not going to stop this time. I promise. I promise that I'm making a promise. I'm making a promise to y'all this time, man. We not going to stop posting this time, man. It's been like 12 days, 13 days since we posted our last video. And you know what I'm saying? We back with another video, man. So today, man, we got a big announcement. Right now, we at a hotel. We at this Home Suites Inn. Yeah, Home Suites or whatever by Hilton right now. So we got a big announcement, man. You want to tell them? I'll tell them.
I'll tell them.
There we go.
So right now, we are planning to do our very first seminar. We are planning to do our very first seminar. The reason why we chose to do our seminar is because we noticed that it's a lot of people that want to learn, but they may not have enough money to get our mentorship. So we will still want to give the knowledge out to everybody. We want the knowledge to be accessible to everybody. So that's why we was like, you know what? Let's do a seminar. Let the people come out and let them meet us. Let them see that everything is genuine. We actually know what we're talking about. And yeah, so now we here trying to set everything up for y'all so we can get y'all the dates, get y'all the tickets,
yes sir,
and get this thing rolling.
Yes sir, man. It's going down, man, so y'all be able to meet us in person, man. It's a lot of people that want to do the mentorships, but of course everybody just don't have that type of money, you know what I'm saying, to do a mentorship. Everybody don't have over $1,000 to do a mentorship. So this right here, man, this is the same opportunity. Of course it's just for one day though, but we giving y'all the same knowledge that we give our mentees, man. Right now we got over 30 mentees. I think we got 36 mentees right now, and they up and running. They all, well, not the group that's going into May. We about to start their mentorship program, but the other 20 mentees are up and running. If they not running, they getting their authorities active. They waiting on their authority to go active. So this right here, man, this just give an opportunity, man, for y'all to get that same mentorship feel. Y'all get to meet us. We're gonna have our risk taker shirts in here, hoodies if you want hoodies. We're gonna be setting up LLCs, man. So if y'all just want to get the ball rolling and y'all don't know how to set up y'all LLC, man, we're gonna be able to set up your LLC right up in this building right here, man. So this is definitely an opportunity, man, and it's way cheaper than the mentorship.
All right.
Way cheaper. I mean, way cheaper, like more than 50% cheaper, you know what I'm saying, than the mentorship price, man. That y'all will be able to meet us actually in person. We're gonna take pictures with y'all, and you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna have a good time, man. Also, we got a dispatching blueprint that we're gonna give y'all. We're gonna go over the dispatching blueprint, and we're gonna give y'all the blueprint when y'all leave. And you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna turn up, man. We're definitely gonna turn up, man. Anybody trying to start their trucking company, come on out. We're gonna show y'all step by step how to start your trucking company. We have a PowerPoint up there and everything like that. So you know what I'm saying, it's definitely gonna have a good time, man. We're gonna have some food there, some drinks, maybe just water, bottled water. But
yeah, we ain't trying to get y'all too messy.
Yeah. But man, y'all stay tuned, man. We about to go up in here, check it out right now. So we're gonna bring y'all with us, man. Let's get it, man. We risk takers, man. And like I say, this is a risk taker event, man. So if you're a risk taker, man, if you're about taking risks, bro, you need to be at this event, bro, because it's all about risk taking, bro. If you're not a risk taker, bro, and I'm gonna say, if you're not a risk taker and you're curious or you're scared or you're nervous, because I was the same way at my job, man. And you know what I'm saying, you still need to be there, because I'm gonna persuade you to make that jump, you know what I'm saying, and go for it, bro. So definitely, bro, we got to bring y'all in there, man.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
That's big. Unless you want to get the boardroom as well. If it's gonna work out, like you have two separate. Boardroom is just like the regular boardroom, like with a big table, like meeting chairs.
All right, man. What up, JD gang, man? So as y'all saw a little footage of the, the place that we holding the seminar, it only holds 40 people. You know what I'm saying? It's only holds 40 people. We're going to have all of this right here. We're going to have tables for y'all to sit down, for y'all to write notes, for y'all to take notes. We also going to have a place where you can go to and where we setting up your LLCs for you if you know what I'm saying, if you want to do that, because that's the first step in starting your trucking company anyway. So the date's going to be
June 18th from 12 to 4 p.m.
So June 18th, man, put that on y'all calendar, man. June 18th from 12 to 4 p.m. And it's going down, man. It's going live, and we going city to city with it. Like I said, we starting out in Houston. We're going to probably go to Dallas. We're going to go to Atlanta. We're going to go to other places, man. So y'all definitely be ready, man. Y'all definitely stay tuned.
Our website should definitely be up by the end of today or tomorrow for y'all to start purchasing y'all tickets. And let's get this ball rolling.
Yes, sir, man. Oh, the ticket's gonna be by Eventbrite. So, like I say, let's get to it, man. If you missed out on the mentorship and you just don't have enough money, man, this is your opportunity, man, to actually meet us in person, man. So, let's get to it, man. So, also, too, man, if y'all gonna stay at this particular hotel, man, they do have bundle packages. They have discounted rates on the days that we have the seminar at this hotel that y'all can come in here and, hey, we can turn up, man.
All right, so we're probably gonna give y'all weekly updates as it gets closer to let y'all know the details, more details about what we have going on for y'all. Right now, we do know we're gonna have a bundle package for y'all though, but as far as the details, we'll have it as close as we get to the date.
Yes, sir. Look forward to seeing y'all out there, man. Let's turn up.